right. If you are absent for the lesson, you need to work through this section with me so you are prepared for the My Homework page that is graded to measure your progress. If you completed this page in class with me, then you may go to the next section of the lesson and complete the My Homework page. You should have out the page 83 from your math workbook. We are going to run through a couple examples together till you feel self-confident to know what you are doing. As we work through the problems together, I expect you to turn in this worksheet to me later, completed and showing your work. Copy from my screen and write below each problem as we go. Just an answer is not okay. Let's look at the directions. Find the prime factorization of each number. Number 2, 63 equals blank. I know I need to make a tree root with this number, so I will start by putting a 63 on my paper with room to work under it. Be sure you are following along and writing on your paper too. Next, I will place 2 lines or arrows below to start factoring. What 2 numbers can I multiply together to make 63? To help you out, I put the multiplication chart on the screen. Take a look for yourself, and I pointed them out already, but I want you to tell me the 2 factors. So if you notice, there are 2 63s on the chart. You can look right above the 63s and check the white box for 1 factor, and you can check to the right of the 63s and check the white box for the 2nd factor. In this case, both of the numbers are actually the same, just in different order. They're both a 9 and a 7. So I'll write them down below on my tree roots. We will have to look at both numbers and make them prime numbers before we are done. So let's look at the 7. Can I make it smaller with 2 factors? I can't, because I'd only be using a 1 times 7, and I can't use a 1. If I did, the 7 would never get smaller, and it would be sitting here all day, and I would be sitting here all day writing a 7 times 1 down on the paper until I was writing down the hallway. So since we can't make it smaller, we are going to circle it because it is prime. Now, let's look at the 9. Can I make it smaller? Yes, by multiplying 3 times 3. As a reminder, you will have to search diligently to find the numbers in the colored section of the chart. So take your time when you are searching. So I will write 2 more lines downward and write 3 and 3. Now, are the 3's prime? Can I make them smaller by multiplying 2 smaller numbers, not including a 1? Nope. I have found all the prime numbers possible. Circling them. Now, my answer? Well, it's quite simple. It's just 7 times 3 times 3. Pause the video if you need to have time to write this down. Let's do more together. Let's do one more. Number 3, it says 18 equals blank. What 2 factors can we find on the chart that equals 18? What times what equals 18? I'll give you a couple seconds to look for yourself and test to see if you are right with me. You could have said 9 and 2, Or you could have said 6 and 3. Let's do 3 and 6. 3 is a prime number, so I will circle it. 9 is not a prime. 6 is not a prime number. So I will find out what other factors can make 6. And that would be 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are also prime numbers. So I have made every number prime going down the tree roots. So I've circled them. And then I can write all 3 numbers on the line. And of course, for this slide, you happen to see the answer before we even got to that point, but that's okay. As long as you understand the process, that's what we need to make sure you get. Okay, now I want you to try numbers 4 through 9 on your own. Get a feel for it and go for it. I have confidence in you. You can do this. Go to the next section when you are ready and done with this page. You can pause the video so that it keeps the chart on the screen if you want to as well.